Hello students, today we are going to discuss the numericals on pH scale. Already know different formulas related to pH calculation of weak acids and weak base, and how the pH value related to pK, pKb of salts or weak acids and weak base. And when acids added to another acids or acid added to another base, what will the resulting H plus ion concentration and what will be the pH value? We'll discuss some important numericals. Okay, first numericals is like this, that 10 ml of 0.2 m calcium hydroxide mixed with 25 ml of 0.1 mSCl. So question is, what is the pH value of the resulting solution? But here is a acid-base reaction, is a neutralization reaction. For neutralization reaction, the concentration of the resulting solution, there will be an important formula. Answer will be like this, that we know at is molarity ratio. So M1 V1 minus M2 V2 N2 upon, as the solution is mixed and each solution has different volume. First solution is 10 ml, that is, we can write the formula is V1 plus V2. This is the resulting concentration, that is M3. This is the concentration of solution. But we have to see which part is greater, whether the calcium hydroxide concentration part is greater or HCl concentration part will be greater. We have to calculate. It will be like this. So here that 10 ml, V is 10 and your V and concentration is 0.2. And here N means, small n means, that is acidity and basicity of this acid and base solution. For us it is a base, so acidity is 2, calcium hydroxide acidity is 2, so 2 minus here this one, that 25 into, and concentration is 0.1 into 1. Here the basicity of HCl is 1 because it has 1 H plus ion upon the total volume is 10 ml mixed with 25 ml. Okay, then here how much? That is 10 into 2, that is 2, that is 4 minus here that 2.5. So base part has higher concentration, that's why 4 minus 2.5 upon here 35. So result is 1.5 upon 35 m. This is the your molarity M3 value. M3 is equal to this much, 1.5 by 35. How much result? That is 0 point, the result is, so concentration of OH minus we can tell, because the resulting solution, the base is greater than the acid, so all acid will be consumed, so the balanced part will be the unbalanced, that is the unreacted part is base. So concentration OH minus concentration 1.5 by 35, that is 0.0428 m. This is the concentration of OH minus. If OH minus concentration is this much, so what is the pH? So pOH is equal to minus log 0.0428. Okay, the result will be minus log that here in the bracket here 0.042 will be 4. If you write, this is 4.28 into 10 to the power how much? Minus 4. 4.10 to minus 2, that is 10 to the power minus 2. 4.28 10 to the power minus 2. So this is the log. Then pOH will be how much? Minus log that minus 2. If it will go to, it will be minus log 4.28 minus log 10.2. So result will be 2 minus log 4.28. So this is the value of your pOH. If pOH is this much, then pH is equal to 14 minus that pOH, that is minus 2 minus log 4.28. Result will be how much? 14, that is 12. 12 minus plus 12 minus plus log 4.28. So this is the actual value of, that means the pH value is 12 point something. 12 point something means that is basic, because during the nucleation reaction the resultant solution is basic, because the concentration of base is 4m and acid solution is 2.5. So the resulting solution is basic and the pH will be 12 plus log 4.8. Oh, okay. So this is the first question. Second question is like this, that organic acid 0.01 m organic acid of pH value is equal to 4. Organic acid of 0.01 m concentration of pH is equal to 4. Question is, calculate the anion concentration and Ka value of K and pK. These three things we will calculate. That calculate the anion concentration, Ka and pK. So this is the data. Here the pH is 4, acid solution pH is 4. So answer will be like this, as pH is equal to 4 implies H plus ion concentration automatically will how much? 10 to the power minus 4. It will be 10 to the minus 4m. This is the concentration of H plus ion, because pH is equal to minus log something, 10 to the power minus 4 log value equal to 4. That's why H plus ion content to minus. If H plus ion concentration is 10 to the minus 4, as it is organic acid, let it be considered as a monobasic acid. So the anion will be, let it be anion is A minus also same 10 to the minus 4m. Because organic acid when dissociate produce one H plus ion and one conjugate base, that is A minus. So as for the question, what is the concentration of anion concentration? Anion concentration is same as H plus ion concentration, because let it be considered as a monobasic acid. So H plus ion will be 10 to the minus 4 and A minus also 10 to the minus 4. Both concentration is given. Then what is given? Then we calculate K value. What is the value of K? K is equal to, as organic acid produce H plus ion concentration into M minus concentration upon HA. Okay. So H plus concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 4. M minus is also same 10 to the power minus 4. HA is equal as per the question 0.01. Okay, so how much the result is coming? The result is Ka is equal to 10 to the power minus 8. Then 10 to the minus 8, this is your 10 to the power minus 2. It will be into 10 to the power 2. The result is 10 to the power minus 10 to the minus 6. This is your K. K is equal to 10 to the power minus 6. If K is 10 to the power minus 6, Pk which is equal to minus log K minus log 10 to the power minus 6. That is answer is 6. This is the value of Pk. Pk is equal to 6. So Pk is asked and K is asked and anion concentration asked. So 3 anion concentration A minus is calculated. Then K is equal to H plus into A minus by HA. So K is, as per the question, what the K value? K value is calculated. Then Pk means minus log K is calculated. This is your second question. Third question is like this. What is the third question? One acetic acid Pk value of acetic acid. Pk value of acetic acid is equal to 4.76 and pKb value of ammonium hydroxide, another base given, is equal to 4.75. As for the question, pK value of acid has a pK value. pK value of acid is this much. pK value of base ammonium hydroxide is this much. Question is, what is the pH value? What will be the pH? Calculate pH for this. Already we have read that when you have to see CS3 that as the CS3COH and ammonium hydroxide pK and pKb given, then pH value of question is pH value of which one? Ammonium acetate. pH value of ammonium acetate as it is a salt of weak acid and weak base. Both ammonium hydroxide is weak base and acetic acid is also weak acid. So it is a salt of weak acid and weak base. Then you already know what is the pH calculation. Already we have discussed in previous class that pH is equal to how much? 7 plus half into, this is your answer. pH is equal to 7 plus half into pK minus pKb. This is the calculation of pH calculation for salt of weak acid and weak base. 7 plus half pK minus pKb. Then if you put this value, how much result is coming? That is here. Just you see 4.76 and 4.71. If you see, then 7 plus half of pKa is equal to 4.76. 4.76 minus 4.75. So the result pH will be how much? 7 plus half into 4.76 is 0.01. That result is equal to 7 plus 0.05. 0.05. That result is equal to 7.05. This is the value of pH. Okay, as pK and pKb given, and question is what is the pH value of the salt ammonium acetate if their corresponding acid and base pKb is given. Okay, so this is the final result of pH value of ammonium acetate. Okay, then question number 4, ammonium chloride pH value of ammonium chloride of concentration how much? 0.01 m. 0.1. The question is 0.1 m ammonium chloride. pH value is equal to 0.1 ammonium chloride is given. We will calculate how much? pH value. We will calculate the pH value of ammonium chloride of concentration 0.1 m. And kV value is given. kV value of ammonia as per the question is how much? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5. This must be given. Then question is calculate pH. pH of ammonium chloride of concentration this much. And answer is pH we will calculate. Here data is ammonium chloride concentration given. kV value of ammonia is given. We know ammonia is a base. Its salt is your ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is a salt. But if you see, ammonium chloride is a weak base. It is a weak base. So as it is a weak base, what is the calculation? Here ammonium chloride is a salt of what? Weak base and strong acid. Weak base and strong acid. What is the calculation of pH calculation? Weak base and strong acid pH calculation is equal to very easy. pH is equal to weak strong acid weak base means 7 minus half of what? pKb minus, that is your plus log C. This is the formula. Plus log C. Then what is the result now? So pH is equal to, as per the question, 7 minus half pKb. pKb means minus log Kb plus log C. Here is equal to 7 minus half. Then minus log Kb means you have to take minus log 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5. Then plus log C. So you have to calculate this thing. When you calculate this log 1.6 into minus 5, then plus log C. Log C means C value is 0.1. Log C means 0.1. So result is pH is equal to 7 minus half of minus log 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5 plus log C. Log of 0.1 is equal to that is 10 to the power minus 1 means minus, result is log of 10 to the power minus 1. Log of 0.1 is 10 to the power minus 1. So minus 1 means result pH is equal to 7 minus half minus log 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5, then minus 1. If you calculate this, minus log of 1.6 10 to the minus 5, you have to calculate that result, you will get this is the value of pH. That means indicates pH value will be less than how much? 7, because it is your how much? Acidic solution and strong acid and weak base. So result will pH will be less than 7 value. You have to calculate the logarithm, that log of 1.6 something. So this is regarding the calculation. Very important thing is which formula you are using. The formula depends upon the data. What are the data given? Then you can think the formula, which formula is applicable for this problem. Then question number 5. The question number 5 is like this. Kw is given. Kw means ionic Kw of water at 310 degree Celsius is equal to 310 Kelvin. That is 310 Kelvin is equal to Kw is how much? That 4 into 10 to the power minus 14. This is the value of Kw of water at, but we know when temperature increases, Kw also increases, because already we have read when temperature increases, equilibrium constant also increases. Kw of water is at 310, but 25 degree means to 98, 298 Kelvin, it is 10 to the power minus 4, at 310 is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. This is the Kw value. But the question is, what is the pH? But the pH of Kw is given. pH of this water, we know water H plus ion concentration into OH minus concentration is equal to Kw. Here water as H plus is equal to OH minus, then how much is coming? How much is coming? H plus and OH minus, that we both are same. So H plus ion square is equal to Kw, which is equal to Kw is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. So H plus ion concentration will be square root of 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. Result is equal to how much? 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Then pH is equal to minus log of 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Result is how much? Minus log 2. That is minus log 2 and 2. Result is 2 minus log 2. That is here 2 minus log 2 is 0.3010. So this is the final result. That is how much? If you calculate that 2.000, then minus 0.3010, then 0, then here result is 9, then 9, then 6, then 1. So 1.699 pH value is, pH will be 1.699. So this is the value of pH of the water when temperature is 310 and Kw is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. So in this way you can calculate different problem. Okay. So which type of problem? That problem will be given. We have to solve this problem using particular formula, and we have to use some tricky formula. Always try to use some shortest method. Direct formula you have to use, so that you can save your time. Then practice more, then you will be have good knowledge and good experience regarding the calculation of different numericals in equilibrium chapter. Okay, thank you all.